Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy Tuesday. So on Tuesdays, we do like recipe hacks and little baking tips that might be helpful in the kitchen. So today I'm going to teach you how to make homemade buttermilk. So this is the easiest thing ever, but before I knew how to make it at home, it was like one of the main deterrents from making a recipe, because every time I saw a recipe and it said buttermilk instead of milk, I was like, why do they have to do that? I don't want to go to the store and buy a carton of buttermilk when like you're going to use it once and never again, right? But eventually I found out how to make it at home and it's so easy, oh my gosh. So yeah, let's get started. So all you need is milk and vinegar, and so I have my little cup here and I can't move it because my other camera is filming it, so I want to pick it up, but I will try not to. So I'm just going to show you how to make a certain amount, like half a cup of buttermilk, but depending on your recipe, just double it or halve it or whatever you need to make the same quantity that you need, obviously. So I am just starting off with half a cup of milk. And I'm using 2%. I don't think it really seems to matter when I played around with it. Oh, did I spill any? No. Okay, well that's an achievement right there. And next we are going to add 2 1/4 teaspoons of white vinegar. So I'm going to add this. And when I've been out of white vinegar, I've used like rice vinegar, and that works completely perfectly as well. Completely perfectly? Is that the right way of saying it? Probably not. So we're just going to give it a stir. And then you want to pop this in the fridge for about 15 minutes. And if you're prepping your recipe and you're like measuring everything out beforehand, do this first, pop it in the fridge, and by the time that you're finished getting all the other ingredients together, you will have your buttermilk completely ready. Also, excuse the glasses, my eyes have been hurting, so my contact lenses, my eyes just don't like them right now. So bear with the glare that I'm sure you're seeing right now. Okay, so yeah, let's go pop this in the fridge and I'll see you guys in like 15 minutes. Okay, so we are back as a train goes by outside. Can you hear that? I don't know. But okay, so as you may be able to see, you can kind of see that the texture of the milk has changed. It looks a little bit thicker. Hopefully you guys can see that, and especially if you pour it out at this point, which is completely fine. Like if you add it to the recipe right now, when you pour it, it'll look like chunky and it'll look like curdled milk because that's what the vinegar does. So you can either add it to your cake batter or your recipe like this, and it looks gross, but don't worry, the flavor's completely fine. Or if you're filming it and you don't want to gross your viewers out, just give it a little stir, and that'll break up any of the curdling that has been done in the fridge. And there you go. And literally that's it. It's so easy to make, and it saves so much money, like going to the store, buying buttermilk, not using the buttermilk, having to pour the buttermilk out when it goes off. So yeah, I hope you guys like this recipe. Comment down below and let me know what recipe you're going to be making with buttermilk, or what recipes you've avoided making because you didn't want to go out and specifically buy buttermilk. I'm not going to drink it, but I'll save it for another recipe that will require it. Which recipe? I think tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm making a matcha green tea cake because I don't know why I haven't done that yet, and I know a lot of you guys will love it. So this is going to be used in it. So anyway, when you see that recipe, you'll know that this milk was used. Anyways, thank you guys. Actually, no, I'm using sour cream in that. Whatever. Oh my god. Okay. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you get notified when my next video goes up, because I upload every single day from Monday to Fridays. Oh my god, the spoon. Okay. Monday to Thursday are recipe videos, and then Fridays we just like have some fun. And I'm trying to think about what's happening in the schedule this week. I don't know. But subscribe and you'll find out. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.